Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the euro again, I mean, this is a little bit of a tough one because for me, the very high time frames are very clearly in an uptrend. And when the higher time frames are in an uptrend, you have to come to the realization that it could just keep going up and up and up and up because the trend is your friend. Now, down here on the 4-hour time frame, this is where I see impulsive down wave A. This looks like a three-way pullback, wave B. It looks like it wants to potentially turn down and make a big old downtrend for a wave C, likely a wave C of 4, before it goes back up for a wave 5. So definitely be careful. Like I said, the trend is your friend. It doesn't really necessarily have to turn down for that wave C. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here. If we get a Fibonacci retracement bounce and a breaker structure down, which we don't have yet, this does not count as a breaker structure because it did not make a new high. So if it does go up, if it does make like a double top at a fib level, break structure down, then I would definitely stop looking for longs at that point and start looking for shorts. As of right now, we definitely need to be aware of the higher time frames and the fact that they are up and that it could potentially just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.